Hello everybody. In this video, I will guide you through the process of calculating the tuition expenses of your master's program. That is, I will explain how to calculate the precise tuition and fee expenses that you would incur while pursuing your master's education. The method for calculating tuition and fees varies among universities. Most universities do not directly mention the exact cost of tuition for the entire master's program on their website. Universities mention the cost per semester or the cost per year on their website. This at times leads to confusion among students because more often than not, the tuition for the entire master's degree is not twice the cost per year. In this video, I will explain how tuition is calculated so that you get a fair idea of what it's going to cost you to pursue your master's degree at a particular university. Before you calculate the cost of your master's degree, you should find out the number of credits, sometimes also known as credit hours or units, required to complete your master's degree. The cost of your program, in most cases, would depend on the number of credits required to complete your master's. Various universities use distinct methods to calculate the tuition, and these are the most commonly used methods. Some universities charge tuition at a fixed per credit tuition rate. In such cases, your total tuition for the master's program would be the number of credits required to complete your master's degree multiplied by the per credit tuition rate. Let's take the example of University of Southern California, which follows this method. As you can see on their website, they charge tuition at a flat rate of $2,424 per unit. Now, if you are a prospective student of their MS in Computer Science program, then the program requires 28 units for completion. So, your total tuition would be 28 multiplied by $2,424, which would come to $67,872. Certain universities offer a flat rate for tuition once a student enrolls in a specific number of credits. For example, a university might charge a per credit rate up to 9 credits taken in a semester, but a flat rate for students taking more than 9 credits per semester. Let's take the example of North Carolina State University. What you can see here is the per credit tuition rate for the NCSU MS in Computer Science program. They charge a per credit tuition rate for up to 9 credits, but students taking more than 9 credits would pay a flat rate of $19,557 per semester. What this means is that a student taking 9 credits a semester as well as a student taking 12 credits a semester would pay the same tuition of $19,557. Now the MS in Computer Science program at NCSU is 30 credits. So if a student chooses to complete the program in 3 semesters by taking 9 credits in the first semester, 9 credits in the second semester, and 12 credits in the third semester, he or she would pay a total tuition of $58,671. Whereas a student who decided to complete the program in 4 semesters by taking 9 credits each in 3 semesters and 3 credits in the fourth semester would pay $65,190 as tuition. So, for the same program, different students may end up paying different tuition depending on the number of credits they decide to take per semester. Some universities charge a flat tuition per semester regardless of the number of credits a student takes. For instance, let's take the case of University of California at Irvine. UC Irvine follows a quarter system wherein a year is divided into 4 quarters, also known as terms. As you can see here, the university charges a flat term fee of $11,631 per term. Now consider the case of a student pursuing a MS in Computer Science program at UC Irvine. The program requires 47 units to complete. If a student completes the program in 4 terms, by taking 12 units per term, then the student would pay $46,524 as tuition. If, however, the student completes the program in 5 terms, then the student would pay $58,155 as tuition for the entire program. Another point that I would like to highlight is that, as you can see here, the annual tuition listed on the website is $34,895. But as I mentioned earlier, the total tuition for the master's program, in most cases, is not twice the annual tuition, as students would seldom take 6 terms to complete their master's at this university. Before I end this video, I would like to highlight a few points. First, in addition to the tuition, most universities charge a small fee per semester. Compared to the tuition, this often is a small amount of a few $100s per semester. Second, the tuition is paid to the university on a semester-by-semester basis rather than annually or as a lump sum for the entire program. Payments are made at the start of each semester, and the tuition is calculated according to the number of courses enrolled for during that specific semester or term. Lastly, for certain programs at some universities, an additional program-specific fee may be levied by the university. Therefore, when estimating your total tuition expenses, it is important to verify whether the program you intend to join incurs any additional program fees. With that, I shall conclude this video. I hope you found this video useful. If yes, please do subscribe to our channel for more such informational content. Thank you.